Greetings from our group. Our group will present online marriage registration system, which is by Group 5. Our team have Nusaliha, Andarisha, and Amirafika, and Lalita Akila.
Marriage registration is an essential legal process that formalizes the union of two individuals that protect their rights under the law. Traditionally, this process requires physical visit to government offices, which can be time-consuming and inefficient. To address these challenges, online system has been introduced to enhance accessibility and convenience. According to the World Bank, digital government services help reduce bureaucracy, increase transparency, and improve other user satisfaction. The online marriage registration system is a web-based platform designed to simplify the marriage registration process. It allows users to register their marriage, submit documents, and track their application status, all from the comfort of their homes. This system ensures faster processing, reduces human error, and offers a more efficient alternative to manual processes. In testing any system, including the online marriage registration system, various test plans ensure true validation. The master test plan serves as a high-level document combining all test plans to ensure testing objectives aligned with project requirements. The acceptance test plans confirm the system meets user requirements and expectations. For end-to-end functionality, the system test plan is used, while the unit test plan focuses on specific modules or components. The performance test plan evaluates how well the system performs under different conditions, and the security test plan validates data security, user authentication, and privacy. Finally, testing type-specific plans are created for major types of testing to ensure each aspect of the system is truly evaluated. This test plan provides a structured framework for testing the online marriage registration system, ensuring that all system components meet both functional and non-functional requirements. The system is designed to streamline marriage registration, allowing users to submit applications online and enabling administrators to manage them efficiently. The testing process will focus on verifying the system performance under various conditions using black box testing methods, such as equivalence partitioning and boundary value analysis. This ensures testing is centered on user interaction and system output rather than internal code structure. The main objectives are to validate the system's reliability, ensure data security for sensitive user information, verify usability across supported browsers and devices, and confirm that all functionalities operate seamlessly. These documents serve as a comprehensive guide for testing the system from development to deployment, ensuring it aligns with user expectations and project goals. This test plan provides a structured framework for testing the online marriage registration system, ensuring that all system components meet both functional and non-functional requirements. The system is designed to streamline marriage registration, allowing users to submit applications online and enabling administrators to manage them efficiently. The testing process will focus on verifying the system performance under various conditions using black box testing methods, such as equivalence partitioning and boundary value analysis. This ensures testing is centered on user interaction and system output rather than internal code structure. The main objectives are to validate the system's reliability, ensure data security for sensitive user information, verify usability across supported browsers and devices, and confirm that all functionalities operate seamlessly. These documents serve as a comprehensive guide for testing the system from development to deployment, ensuring it aligns with user expectations and project goals. Let me explain the pass and fail criteria for our testing process. For pass criteria, for the feature to pass, all functions must work as expected. This means the system should perform without any errors, and users need to complete all forms required before the admin can approve the registration. Once the user submits the completed form, the system should process the registration without issue. In addition, all the test cases must produce the expected result. For example, if you test the registration process, it should work smoothly, and the admin should be able to approve the registration once the form is fully completed. While for fail criteria, if the feature does not work as intended or produces incorrect or incomplete result, it will be considered a fail. For example, if the form doesn't capture all necessary information or the admin can't approve the registration, the test would fail. Essentially, any failure to meet expectation or provide the correct output means the feature does not pass the test. Now, let's move on to the suspension criteria. Testing should be stopped immediately if the system has trouble logging in. If there are any logging issues, such as users being unable to access their account, testing must be suspended right away. In addition, if any of the core CRUD operation, which is create, read, update, and delete fail, we also stop testing. These operations are fundamental to the system functionality. For instance, if the system is unable to create a new user or it fails to update information, we halt testing. Finally, testing will end if the application becomes inaccessible. If at any point the system crashes or is no longer reachable, we immediately stop testing until the issue is fixed.
So we have a test case design, and in this presentation we will give a summary of our test case design. So we have admin sign in page, which is will test the username and password, and for admin reset page, we will test email, mobile number, new password, confirm password, and for admin edit profile page, we will test the name, username, contact number, and email. And for user sign in page, we will test a mobile number and password. In user registration page, we will test the first name, last name, address, mobile number, and password. All of these have contains all type of fields, like combination of alphanumeric and symbols, or integer or string. In this test case, at husband details page, we have name, religion, address, zip code, and state, which is the name have the type of field which is string, and it should be tested with alphabet without spacings. For religion, it's same data type with name, which is string. And then address gonna be combination of alphanumerics and symbol. And for the zip code, it should be integer. And the lastly state should be in strings type of field. And same goes to the wife details and witness details.
My name is Narata Pilamtinase and with number matric 287438. These are the highlights for manual testing module. There are 5 test cases that have been tested, which are sign up, sign in, admin sign up, admin reset password, and lastly registration form. Example, for manual test case, sign up page. The user need to navigate to the sign up page and enter the valid and invalid input. Expected result is a valid input are accepted and invalid input show error message. The outcome is mixed result because some failed due to missing error message. Next, I will talk about automatic testing test scales. Selenium IDE is a powerful tool for automating web application testing. It allows for record and playback. Test step can be recorded without coding expertise. It also allows repeatability, so tests can be repeated multiple times for consistency. And lastly, flexibility that make the test easily adapt to changing application workflow. As example for automatic test case, the admin can type valid and invalid username. Then Selenium will verify error message or successful input. The outcome will be pass for valid input and consistent error message for invalid data.
The scope of the testing included functional tests for key modules such as registration, sign-in, password changes, and search functionality. However, performance testing and mobile browser compatibility were not included in the scope. Testing was conducted exclusively on desktop browsers. 92 out of 122 planned test cases were all executed successfully. 30 failed. A total of 68 defects were identified, categorized as critical, major, medium, and cosmetic. 61 resolved and 6 remaining open. The defects were distributed across modules, with the registration form and admin reset password modules having the highest number of issues. This is the table of the number of defects identified from the project. A combination of functionality, usability, black box, manual, and automated testing was used. Automated tools like Selenium IDE ensured consistency in repetitive and regression testing, while usability testing verified the interface for ease of use on desktop browsers. We identified two main issues: the lack of error messages and input guidance, and the inefficiency in task completion time. To address this, we recommend improving error messages and optimizing the task execution timeline. Although all planned test cases have been executed and the defects documented, some high-severity defects remain unresolved. Consequently, the system is not yet ready for public deployment. Addressing this critical issue will be essential before the system can go live.
Based on this project, we have made a recommendation and suggestions, which is to address the 30 failed test cases. It is crucial to prioritize resolving issues in the critical and major defect categories, particularly in modules like admin reset password and registration form, which reported the most defects. Implementing a traceability matrix to link failed test case to defect categories will improve clarity and streamline resolutions. Future testing should include overlooked scenarios such as performance testing and mobile compatibility to ensure real-world applicability. Additionally, enhancing test case documentation with detailed failure explanation and remediation suggestion will improve test coverage and prevent recurring issues. Expanding automated testing for repetitive tasks such as input validation will further boost efficiency and reliability. Thank you. To sum up our project, the online marriage registration system modernized the marriage registration process by replacing traditional paper-based method with a digital platform that offers faster processing, better accessibility, and streamlined administrative workflow. Key features like user registration, document submission, application tracking, and administrative tool enhance efficiency, while robust security measures protect sensitive data. However, critical and major issues, particularly in the admin reset password and registration form modules, need to be resolved to meet functional requirements. Expanding testing in include performance and mobile compatibility will further improve reliability. By addressing these issues and refining the system, future version can provide an even more efficient and user-friendly solution for modern marriage registration needs.